Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Shafiq, and today we will be discuss lab 4, which is block reduction method. So for this lab, I will show two parts. So the first part will be this part 1, and this is the question. So for this block, we can see that G4, G4 and G3 will be parallel, which is G3 minus G4, and G2 and H1 will be feedback, and then to 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 find the overall will be G1 times the feedback of G2 and H1 times the parallel of G4 and G3. So this is the calculation. So we go straight to coding. So to make a coding, we will use this as reference. So the coding for that question will be here. Stuck lah. Okay, this is will be the coding. First, we will declare first the value. We will refer this block. So we'll declare the value of G1, value of G2, G3, G4, and H1. So we declare first. We declare here, and then we'll go to define all block reduction model, which is the first one will be feedback of G2H1, and then the parallel of G3 and G4, and then the sum of overall. So if we run the coding, we get the final answer, which is the same as the calculation. The final answer is here, 14s plus 14 and over 50s4 plus 353s3 plus 821s2 plus 648s and plus 36. So the answer will be the same. And then we go to part 2, which is the more complex one. Here is the question. So again, we will use this as reference. So you can I will this is the coding for the question. Okay, first is we declare the block transfer function, which is at the question here. G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6, G7, and H1. We just follow the question. And then as for block reduction, first we can see that G2, G3, and G4 here is in series. So we will define this as A, which is here. And then after we series here, we will parallel with G1. So for parallel, G1 minus A, which is here, and after that we'll do feedback for G5 and H1, And then as for the here, again parallel, which is G6 minus G7, and to get the overall, we will times the value of B here times the feedback here and times the parallel here. So as we run the program, this is the final answer. Unfortunately, my final answer is not the same. My final answer is 7 as 5 plus 39 as 4 minus. So my final answer here is not the same with here. So I make a mistake on the calculation and I don't know where the mistake is. So I don't know where the mistakes, and yeah, I think I can't proceed with the final answer, but with MATLAB the final answer is here. Okay, I think that's all from me. That's all from me. Thank you.